Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Webflow. So let me take you to the website, which is webflow.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Webflow is a no-code website builder that allows users to design, build, and launch responsive websites visually. It combines design, CMS, and hosting in one platform, enabling users to create professional sites without coding. Webflow is popular among designers, developers, and businesses for its flexibility and customizability. So, what you're waiting for? Come to the website, explore all about them, and if you feel they're great for you, you can go to pricing. You can explore all the available options and get yourself an account with them. You can start with free and sign up for the paid one as well later if you like. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Webflow. Is it possible? Why not? Simply join the affiliate program of Webflow and start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic. And when you bring sales to them, you could end up getting commission as an affiliate. So, who can join the affiliate program of Webflow? As such, I didn't find any restrictions. So, regardless of your location as an affiliate, you should be able to apply to their affiliate program. Now, to the consumers of which country can you promote them? I didn't find any restriction for that as well. So long as they have the services available to the consumers of any country, you can promote them to their consumers. Now, let's learn more about their affiliate program. For that, you can come to the footer section and you will see this become an affiliate. So simply click on this. That will take you to this page. I'll also mention this link in the video description for your click. So you can come to their affiliate program page and this is what it would look like. You can see here the commission rate. So apply to become a Webflow affiliate today and earn 50% back on first subscription for up to 12 months. So that means, let's say if you bring someone to Webflow and they become part of them even with a free account, but later on they decided to make their first subscription payment, so you will get the 50% of that amount within 12 months. What if they decide to do the sign up later? Then it's just a different story. But assuming you brought someone who's new to Webflow, never has an account with them, and whatever they will buy on their first subscription, you will end up getting 50% of that amount. Now that's great. Now, if you scroll down, you can see this program is for bloggers and writers, educators, web developers, YouTubers, media networks, and social media influencers. So it's kind of applicable for all the affiliates, assuming they get the approval. So how do you get the approval from them? For that, let me take you to the website called Partner Stack. Now, what is Partner Stack and what do they have to do with Webflow? So Partner Stack is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. And what is an affiliate marketing network? Affiliate marketing network works as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if affiliates want to join the affiliate program of any brand, they first have to join the affiliate network, the respective affiliate network. So in our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of Webflow, you must join Partner Stack as an affiliate. So how much would it cost you? Well, it's free of cost. So how do you create an account with Partner Stack? Simply click on Get Started and complete the sign up process. It will take you to this page. You have to enter your details and then it will take you through sign up process. Now, I understand there are many nuances involved, so don't you worry. I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use Partner Stack affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself an affiliate account with Partner Stack. Once you have an account with them, simply click on login, which will again take you to the screen. You can continue with Google, and then it will take you to something called Affiliate Dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to explore not just Webflow, but the affiliate program of other brands as well. But we will keep the focus of our video on Webflow. So how do you find their affiliate program? For that, you can click on Discover Partnerships and you can search for Webflow in here and just type in the name. The name will come in the drop down, click on it, and it will take you to this screen. So this is the Webflow profile in here. You can see more about it, the commission rate that we already discussed, and the other details as well. And if you want to apply to their affiliate program, simply fill up the details followed by click on apply to program. So do you have a Webflow account? If yes or no, you can select it accordingly. If no, then you don't have to provide the email address associated with your Webflow account. But in case if you have an account with them already, you must select yes, and you must write your email address that is associated with the Webflow account. Then, are you a freelancer or agency whose business includes building websites for client using Webflow? Choose it accordingly. If you are a freelancer or agency, do you acknowledge that you will only receive commissions for non-client refers in the Webflow affiliate program? So this is kind of disclosure to you. Well, I'm not a freelancer or agency. How do you plan to promote Webflow? Select all that apply. So let's say I intend to promote them on my social media account, uh, especially on YouTube channel. So I'm gonna mention these two, but you can also select the ones that is applicable to you. So what is your website URL? Now, as an influencer, you might have a website, you might not have a website. So even if you don't have a website, in my case, mainly I got my YouTube channel, so I can mention my YouTube channel URL in here. So in case if you don't have a website, it's fine. Whatever you plan to promote Webflow, just mention that URL in here as the website URL. Next, please provide links to any of the properties selected in the previous question. So that means we have selected these two. So I just have to give one property where I plan to promote Webflow. That will be my YouTube URL. The next question is, please provide links to 2 to 3 pieces of content you would use to promote Webflow or that you have used to promote similar brands in the past. So again, basically content where you will end up promoting Webflow. In my case, I intend to promote them on my YouTube channel and as well as on my social media, similar to how I usually promote to other brands. So I'm going to mention these pieces of URLs in here, which can be considered as piece of content. So in your case as well, if you have a direct URLs to some content where you plan to promote Webflow, you can provide it. Otherwise, you can also give the URLs of the places where you intend to promote them in the future. Then your audience size across properties to be used for promotion. So you can select the number of your traffic, your subscribers, your followers. So I got between 5,000 to 10,000, so I can select it accordingly. You have to select your country here. So this is the country of your residence. I'm gonna go with my country of residence here. Enter the state, province, or region. So you can click here and you can enter it accordingly. I'm gonna select for mine as well, and then you can click on submit application. And once you do it, you can see your application has been submitted. We'll let you know when Webflow has an update on your application via email at this. So you have to give them the time, whatever information you have filled, they'll see, they will review, and they'll let you know whether you're a good fit for them or not. So how much time would it take? Usually a couple of days to a couple of weeks is enough, but Webflow gets a lot of applications, so they may take anywhere between 1 week to 5 weeks of time. So you can have patience while you wait for them. Now, once you get the approval, you'll be notified by an email. So let's assume you get the approval from Webflow. Then what? Then you can start promoting them, but you can't just promote them. You can't just take any link from the website and promote them. You should be using your tracking link. So how do you get your tracking link? For that, you need to go to the affiliate program page of Webflow on Partner Stack. And how do you get there? Simply click on your programs. Over here, you will see the list of your approved affiliate program. So assuming you get approval from Webflow, you will see them listed in here. And since I got the approval from Learn World, so I'm gonna just assume it's Webflow to give you a demo. So you can click on the name, the Webflow name, once you get the approval. And once you're here on their affiliate program page on Partner Stack, you can, on the left hand side, you can click on links. And assuming we get the approval from Webflow, we will see the tracking link in here that we can promote. We can also click on create custom link, and we can create links like this. We can give the link title, the description, set up a destination URL, click on create link, and it will create your tracking link for us. So this is how you can create your tracking link before you start promoting them. Now, once you have created a tracking link, how exactly can you promote them? There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. One is website. Now, doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, find a place where you can promote Webflow. Maybe just create some advertisement, put it on your category page or your home page, whatever you feel is most suited for your audience. Second is the blog. Now, I feel like blog could be great because it gives you the flexibility to write, to put your thoughts in word. So you could create blog posts and talk more about Webflow and put your tracking link somewhere in your blog post. So this way, when reader would read it, they'll click on the link and they'll follow, they'll buy subscription for Webflow and you'll get the commission. Third is social media. Now, social media would be great here because you could create videos on the Webflow, you could do reels, you could do posts, you could do many things on social media and basically promote them and give your tracking link in the description somewhere, in the comments somewhere of reels. So this way, when people would see your content, they'll click on the link and they'll buy the subscription, you get the commission. The fourth way, which I feel is more suited here, is a SaaS website. Now, let's assume you already have a SaaS website. SaaS is software as a service website. Now, people come to these kind of website to see the best tools available for them. So, if you have similar kind of website of yours, maybe you can list Webflow in your website. So when people would come, they'll see, okay, there's a website builder tool, Webflow, and they'll click on that link, which is basically your tracking link. And this way, you could end up getting commission when they bring sales to Webflow. So this is how you can promote them. You can use your creativity and you can promote them, but ensure you follow the terms while you're promoting them. So let's say you started promoting them, you started bringing sales to them. Where would you see your commission? For that, you can come to the affiliate dashboard once again of Partner Stack, and this time click on reporting. And once here, you could use partnership performance report. You could change your filters in here, and you will see your clicks, unique clicks, signups, paid customers, transactions, revenue, pending commission, and paid commission. So these are the things you could review. Basically, performance. You can click on link performance to see your link performance, commission overview, and legacy reports. So these are different reports that you could run. Then how about the commission? So all the commission that is getting accumulated in your affiliate dashboard part of PartnerStack, you can click on commission and it will load up your available funds in here. You can also click on learn about commission statuses to have better understanding of commission statuses, but basically the available funds in here, you can withdraw. And how do you withdraw it? You can set up payment method. You have three options, either to go with direct deposit, PayPal, and Stripe. You only have to set it once. To set it once, simply click on set up withdrawal. You can go with any of these options, but depending on what you will choose, there will be a delivery delay accordingly, and there will be a processing fee accordingly. So let's say if I want to go with PayPal, I can enter my PayPal email address followed by confirm PayPal email address, and 2% of the withdrawal amount will be the processing fee, and the maximum of that 2% will be $20, and it could take up to 12 business days for me to receive the payment if the partners like issue via PayPal. Similar to this, you can go with any of the payment method that suits you, and once that's done, you will see available funds in here, and you can always request for withdrawal. And all the past withdrawal commission you will be able to see within withdrawal section. Over here, you'll see the list of those payments. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Webflow. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start promoting them, start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Webflow. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.